Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a review on a present that I got them for Father's Day. It's a gift from my wife and my son. It's actually one of the things that I wanted to get myself for a long time, but with the lockdown and everything, didn't have a chance to go out and get it. But thanks to my wife, she managed to get one. It was a surprise. I'm gonna welcome my son to do an unboxing with me today. Welcome to my son. So this guy will open his Father's Day present with me. Come on, let's get it. This box. So this is the LV3 watch case, a monogram eclipse pattern. I think it comes in another two more patterns. One is in the dark blue color as well, and the other one is in the brown. But yeah, the watch case is very useful, especially when you're traveling and you want to bring not just one watch, you want to bring a couple more watches. And you can rotate your watches when you're traveling as well. The reason why I like this is because obviously it's from LV. The leather from it is very nice. Has a nice leather smell. So the size of this watch case is 20 cm in length, 8 cm in height, and 8 cm in width. So yeah, the size is not too bulky, fits great in the hand. Obviously you can put 3 watches in there. And yeah, it's quite compact. You can put it in a luggage bag and bring it with you when you're traveling. So as you can see, I can fit 3 watches in there. These are 3 watches that I have right here. And yeah, whenever I'm traveling, I can always bring 3 watches plus the one I'm wearing. So yeah, that's 4 watches for rotation. Sounds pretty good to me. That's the video for today. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing video. It was a very special Father's Day gift and truly appreciate it, and definitely will put it to good use when we're all able to travel more freely around the world. As always, stay safe and happy collecting. Bye guys.